Hi, I am Dr.S. ANJALMOSE, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Now, we will discuss about how to draw a arrow diagram for this project, find the critical path for each non-critical activity, and find the total float and free float for critical or non-critical activities. First, consider an example. Activity A, B, C, D up to M. Predecessor activity A, B, A, D, E and so on. And duration, the activity A is 6, the activity B is 4, the activity C is 7, the activity D is 2, E is 4, F is 10, the activity G is 2, the duration of the activity H is 10, the duration of the activity I is 6, the duration of the activity J 13, the duration of the activity K 9, the duration of the activity L 3, and the duration of the activity M is 5. First one, draw an arrow diagram for this project. The arrow diagram 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, then 2 to 6, 2 to 5, etc. These are network diagram. We can find the critical path. First, we choose earliest time and latest time. First, we can find earliest time. First node, the earliest time E1 is 0. Then next, suppose 1 to 2, the duration is 6. Therefore, the earliest time value E1 0 plus the duration of the activity 1 to 2 6. Therefore, 0 plus 6 is 6, and so on. Then latest time L10, E10, earliest time 10 is 25, then latest time 10 is also 25. In the reverse process, L9, latest time 9, the latest time of node 9 is 25 minus duration of the activity. Therefore, 5, duration of the activity 5. Therefore, 25 minus 5 equal to 20. Then and so on. The EL1, latest time of node 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the critical path, earliest time, when is earliest time and latest time are same or equal, then the critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 9, and 9 to 10. These activities are called critical activity. 1 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 10. These activities are critical activity, which is A, B, C, L, M. This activity A, B, C, L, M is critical activity. Next, duration of the project completion time. Duration of the project completion time is last one, earliest time and latest time are same, 25. Therefore, 25 days, the project duration of completion time. Next, B, critical activity, non-critical activity, find the total float and free float. For each non-critical activity except A, B, C, L, M, total float and free float calculations are given below. Activity, non-critical activities are 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 3 to 4, 2 to 5, 5 to 8, 2 to 7, 4 to 9, 8 to 10. Then duration of the activity, non-critical activity 1 to 3 is 2, 1 to 4 is 13, 3 to 4 is 10, 2 to 5 is 2, 5 to 8 is 4, 2 to 7 is 9, 4 to 9 is 6, and 8 to 10 equal to 10. Then earliest time and latest time are there. Then the float free float and total float. First one, total float. Total float equal to Lj minus Tij minus Ei. Therefore, Lj 4 minus Tij, duration of the 1 to 3, activity 1 to 3 is 2. Therefore, 4 minus 2 minus Ei, earliest time of the activity 1 to 3 is 0. Therefore, 4 minus 2 minus 0 equal to 2. Then free float of the activity 1 to 3 is Ej minus Ei minus Tij. Ej, earliest time of the activity 1 to 3 is 2 minus Ei 0 minus the duration of the activity 1 to 3 is 0. Therefore, 2 minus 0 minus 2 equal to 0. These calculations are followed by activity 1 to 3. Therefore, free float of and total float of each non-critical activities 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 3 to 4, 2 to 5, 5 to 8, 2 to 7, 4 to 9, 8 to 10 are there. Next problem, activity and duration are predecessor. Draw a network diagram and calculate the minimum time that the renovation can take from the diagram. Find the effect on the overall duration of the project in the estimate or tenders can be obtained in 2 weeks from the contractors by reducing their numbers. And the last one, calculate the independent float that is associated with the non-critical activities in the network diagram. First, we can draw the network diagram followed by the critical path, then the duration and predecessor. Therefore, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. These are critical path, and the critical activity is A, B, C, D, K, J, L, I. Therefore, the duration of the project completion time is 42 weeks. Then free float and total float and independent float. Activity, non-critical activity 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 7 to 4 to 6, 4 to 10, 10 to 11. Therefore, the duration of the activity 2 to 4 is 2. Duration of the activity 4 to 6 is 3. Duration of the activity 4 to 10 is 4. Duration of the activity 10 to 11 is 2. Then the free float and independent float, total float of activity 2 to 4 is total float 2, free float 0, independent float 0. Then 4 to 6 activity, free float 0, independent float 0, total float 2. And 4 to 10 activity 4 to 10, free float 0, independent float 0, total float 11. And 10 to 11 activity 10 to 11, total float 1, free float 0, independent float 0. Effect on the overall completion time, project completion time is time of activity B is reduced 2 weeks instead of 4 weeks. Therefore, the activity B reduced 2 weeks. Already 2 to 3 is in 4 weeks. Then the reduced 2 weeks. Therefore, now the activity 2 to 3 duration is 2. Therefore, new critical path and new network diagram E1 0, E2 14, E3 16, E4 16, E5 18, E6 19, E7 16, E8 23, E9 35, E10 37, E11 39, E12 40. Then the earliest time L12 40, L11 40, L10 37, L9 35, L8 23, L7 17, L6 19, L5 18, L4 16, L3 16, L2 14, L1 0. Therefore, the new critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 12. Then path A, E, H, J, H, I is duration 23, A to E, E to H, H to M 22, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to H, K, K to J, J to L, L to I 40, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to K, K to J, L to M 39, A to E, E to G, G to K, K to J, J to L, L to I 39, A to E, E to F, F to K, K to J, J to L, L to I is 40, A to E, E to F, F to K, K to J, J to L, L to M is 39. Then next problem. These are activities, optimistic time, pessimistic time, most likely times are there. First, the network diagram are given. We find earliest time and latest time, and we can find the critical path determining the following expected activity time and variance. Therefore, find the duration of the activities. TE equal 1 by 6 into optimistic time plus 4 into most likely time plus pessimistic time. Therefore, variance equal 1 by 6 into pessimistic time minus optimistic time whole square. Therefore, the duration of the activity 1 to 6, so 1 by 6 into 5 plus 4 into 8 plus 10 equal to 7.8. These are duration of the every activity. These are variance of this every activity. Sigma 1 square equal to 1 by 6 into 10 minus 5 whole square equal to 0.69. Second one 0.44, 5.44, etc. The activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7 are given. The duration T suffix E is already determined. 7.8, 20, 33, 2 to 5, 18, 2 to 6, 20, 3 to 6, 9, 4 to 7, 9.8, 5 to 7, 8, 6 to 7, 8. Then variance sigma I square of the activity 1 to 2 is 0.69. The variance of activity 1 to 3 is 0.44. The variance of activity 1 to 4 is 5.44. The variance of activity 2 to 5 is 0.44. The variance of activity 2 to 6 is 2.78. The activity 3 to 6 variance is 1. The variance of activity 4 to 7 is 0.69. The variance of activity 5 to 7 is 0.11, and 6 to 7 is 0.11. Then we can draw the network diagram. The following activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and 2 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7. We can find the earliest time and the latest time. And when is the earliest time, latest time are the same, the critical path is that path. Therefore, critical path is 1 to 4, 4 to 7, and the critical activity C, G, duration 42.8 weeks. Since the duration 42.8 weeks and variance 6.128, then standard deviation sigma equal to root of 6.128 equal 2.474. The probability of meeting the scheduled time is given by probability of z less than or equal t suffix s minus t suffix e divided by sigma. Therefore, p of z equal 0.3048. Thus, the probability that the project can be completed in less than or equal to 41.5 weeks is 0.3048. In other words, the probability that the project will get delayed beyond 41.5 weeks is 0.6952. Given that probability of z less than or equal to t suffix s minus t suffix e divided by sigma equal to 0.95, but z 0.95 equal to 1.64 from normal distribution table. Thus 1.64 equal 46.85 weeks. That's all. Thank you.